Hey everybody, Marcia here. I am back with another scrapbook YouTube process video for My Creative Scrapbook. So I am working with the March main kit. This is my second layout with the kit. This kit featured the Maggie Holmes Market Square collection from American Crafts. For this layout, I am using this gorgeous floral print background that's different shades of gray, and over that I put some pink cardstock and then some white cardstock over that, and I did a little bit of machine stitching over the top. I wanted to conserve this paper. I really love this floral print. So you can see at the beginning I cut a hole in the middle of the paper so that I could use that for another project. Before I go too much further with the layout, I wanted to do some ink splatters. So I used a couple different shades of pink. One was a Mr. Huey, like cotton candy, I believe, and the other one was a Heidi Swapp color shine. After that, I have the heart pattern paper that I cut into a pennant, and I'm putting that down on the left side of my layout. I'm ready to start adding layers around my photo. I fussy cut a bunch of flowers from this collection. There were 3 floral patterns that were perfect for fussy cutting. I'm showing 2 of them here. This larger pink rose pattern, and then there's a black and white smaller floral pattern that I also fussy cut out. I love fussy cutting flowers from pattern paper. They are great for extending your die cut ephemera pieces, and I just love the softness that they add to a layout, and that's what I was going for here. I start arranging these pink roses in a visual triangle. So you see me starting in the lower right of the photo, and then I'm going up to the upper left corner of the photo, and then I'm going up to the top of my layout where the pennant meets that cardstock paper there. So this is to help your eye travel across the photo, and my title is going to go up at the top and then bring you back down to the photo again. I am gluing down the bottom layer of those roses, but then I'm using some foam tape to pop up the top layer of the roses where I have more than one layer by my photo. Then I'm going back and I am filling in with the black and white flora, fussy cut flowers. A lot of these are leaves or vines, and it just adds a lot more interest to that floral cluster. To draw attention to the title, there is a gold acetate frame that I thought would be really pretty, layered up there at the top. And to tie everything together, there's another gold floral piece I'm going to grab and put in the floral cluster at the top. There's also this black and white acetate butterfly that I thought would be really pretty put on here in the white space. I initially glued this butterfly acetate piece down, but then I went back and did some machine stitching over the middle of the butterfly so that I could have little trailing threads, which I thought would give the butterfly some movement. I'm still filling in my floral clusters with some of these fussy cut black and white floral bits and pieces. The photo I'm scrapbooking today is of my niece's 2 children. Her son Harper is probably about 8, and Cora is just turning a year old. So this picture was taken last spring, early summer maybe. I just love Harper's expression here. He is thrilled to be a big brother. can see he's holding his sister up and he's giving the big thumbs up sign there. It is adorable. I love that smile on his face. There are black foam thickers that came with the kit, and I am using them for my title. I thought Brother's Love was the perfect title. I am aligning my thickers on my thickers alignment ruler. I love doing this because it allows me to space them out like I want, and then I can pick them up and move them over my layout and decide exactly where I want them to go before I start gluing anything down on my layout. Here I have Brothers done, and I am starting it off so that the Brothers is inside that gold acetate frame, so that will help frame it and draw your attention to that title. So then I'm looking for the A for A Brothers, and I also have my apostrophe I stuck in there. For the love, I wanted to kind of mix things up a bit and combine the cursive script along with the block foam Elphus that came with the kit. So I found this love from another thickers packet that I had in my stash. I added that underneath the rest of my title. To add a little bit of dimension, I went through and looked at my chipboard stickers. There is a pink heart I added on here. There was a die cut ephemera bird I wanted to put up on here above my title. On one of the die cut ephemera pieces, I added kids' names so that anyone who saw this layout would know who these kids were. Underneath my photo, there is a die cut ephemera piece that had the you and me. So actually you could use this two ways. You can use the letters from inside, or you could use the outer part and have the you and me be more like a stencil. I decided I would use the inside pieces. I thought it would be a lot easier for me to store the you and me outside portion in with my ephemera pieces and not lose anything, because I'm always losing one little piece that I want, it seems. I thought it would be really cute to add here the you and me directly underneath where they are sitting. Of course, I want to add a bow on here too. I love putting bows on my layout, so I'm going to get my bow easy out and tie a bow with some black hemp cord. The Bow Easy tool is something I picked up at a stamping store, and you can still pick one up on Amazon, but it's one of my favorite tools and I use it all the time. If you watch my YouTube process videos, you know I love this tool. Once my bow is up on here, I thought I would just add a little bit of glimmer to it with some snowflakes pops of color. So these I like Nouveau drops, but they come from scrapbook.com. This one was like an iridescent white, and it dried and it had a little glimmery sheen to it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Be sure to check out all of the kits at My Creative Scrapbook. There is sure to be something for every kind of scrapbooker that you are, so please check them out. They're gorgeous kits. Bye-bye now.